Happy Friday evening, traders. Welcome to episode 292 of Tea with me, Mitch Ray. You could be doing anything, but you're here checking out the city skyline, and for that I'm quite grateful. Oh, not starting soon anymore. Snap it like Thanos would. All right, let's head on over to the main screen. Here we are. Bitcoin, what's been happening? Not too much since I last streamed, just only hours ago, right? Bitcoin, you know, what that volatility between 3,700 and all the way to 3,578, right? I had that little spinning top, and nothing really that big of a deal. Decent amount of volume came in on it, but it's the weekend. And you just could expect that since we just haven't had much data on the 4-hour, right, for any kind of volatility or really kind of consolidation, right? So impulse down, slightly upsloping consolidation. Made the adjustment after that wick happened, and you can still clearly see that slightly upsloping flag, right? Bear pull, bear flag. If at any time we break out bearishly, there's the standard measure move from the candle bodies, right? From 4,020 is that a joint down to 36.34. It's about a $381, $382 measure move. Okay, that could, if we did respect that measure move, that could put us as low as 32.14. Very, very close to the lowest lows of the year, 52-week lows. Wow. That should kind of tell you what kind of market we're in for that close to 52-week lows. We're not bullish. We're downsloping channel. That's not bullish, right? Lower consecutive lower highs than our previous highs. Not bullish. Nothing about it really so far. Okay. Anyway, that's about it. Just kind of a little bit of a reiteration from what we discussed today. All right. I'm just here to hang out with y'all. Look, I took a nap. I needed one really bad. I'm finishing up some of my own coffee. Don't even know if I'm gonna drink tonight. I don't know, man. I don't know if I'm feeling it. It's just, I don't know, man. Sometimes you got it, sometimes you don't. Take a look at chat, see who's here. So, but Daring Noreen was first. What's up, Bradford? Glad you like it. Very glad you like it, man. What's up, Dan Style? Says that is lit. Get it. Hey, 1G Project. There's Cover Crypto Mill. What's up, dude? Julia. Jesus champs. Boom. Mr. Cantoma, man. Jules, man.
Can you see you roller coaster down BTC again?
I reviewed that. I'm like, what did that look like? I put it up on my TV, my 65-inch, and dude, I couldn't believe how good it looked. Like, seriously. Yes, we'll do that, Jules. Thanks for the 24-24, the two 12-12s. All right, man. Once we get that Zcash emoji ball, once Jalen finishes it up, man, maybe what I'll do is create a variation. If you do 24-24, it'll just be a bigger Zcash ball than the 12-12. That makes sense, man. We'll let you have 24-24 and 12-12, right? I guess whatever beyond that, you know, all the variations of the whatever, you know. So, thanks, brother, man. Much love. Yeah, we'll do it. As soon as I get done chat, I'll go on the roller coaster. I will do it, man. All right. So hang tight. Thanks, brother. P. Miller, what's up with you, dude? Oh, there's Adam. What's up, Drizzt? Shalon Peroni says, I agree the background is sick. Hey, Mitch, thanks for the consistency and providing awesome info. Very much appreciated. Thank you, Shalon, for the kind words and support and for tuning in tonight. All right. Got my Bitcoin socks on, all right. Love vibes, that's right, Mr. Cantemo. Thanks, Dan, man. Really, really appreciate that. And there's Hector Santos. What's up, dude? Coming in from the West Coast. Right? Unless I'm crazy. Oh, Billy Langford, man. What's up, dude? Bobby McDangles says, definitely appreciate the content, Mitch. How's your Friday night? It's going pretty well, man. Thank you. Going pretty well. Took a little nap. I had to, man. I would have not been able to stream without a nap, so I sometimes do that. But again, it kind of, you know, I feel like a zombie a little bit right now, so I'm trying to just get back in the swing of things. Okay. What's up, O'Sullivan says inverse Kangs. I thought you were about to say inverse Kappas. What's up, Peter Powell Morgan? Liking that the graphics, man? We appreciate it. Yeah, man, we're just changing it up, having fun with this time of adversity for the computer. The war room is, you know, I put some tape over it, some yellow tape, man. Just can't get in there, not getting in there, and just in my alternative office, alternative PC. So, hey, what's up, Paro? Good to see ya. Hope you're having a wonderful Friday. Aramis, you too, and Crypto Hippie. Thanks, Skyward, dude. Rob R, man. Is that Greenbow? Rob R. This Greenbow, it coming in from downtown Greenbow Center Square. And look, man, this is my little loft up here, dude. This is me, right there. That's me streaming, man. Rob R, where you at, dude? You flying into Greenbow, man? The Greenbow International Airport. God. Anyway, how things have changed, yeah. You like that opening, Aramis, man? Appreciate that, dude. What's up, Sahib Dash G? Planet side, yeah, dude. If I have my spacesuit on, you're gonna need a diaper. Why are you gonna need a diaper if I have a spacesuit on, man? That doesn't make sense. What's the mathematical equation for me wearing spacesuit and then Zed's diaper? What's in between? All right. So, Tom Crypto newbie, man. Mitchell Raymond, yeah. Michelle Ramondo. So, Crypto Capsule. Damn Giant Ray. Crypto Capsule. All right, just getting through chat. Almost through this, okay? Thank y'all for all being here. Okay, I said BYOB, okay? Did you bring your BYOB? If you did bring your BYOB, wait, that's not right. If you did bring your own beer, type in chat what you have, whether it's tea, coffee, water, alcohol, and more specifically, what kind of water. Is it bottled water, purified water? Is it sparkling water? Is it beer, liquor, cannabis? What is your weapon or weapon of hydration or dehydration tonight? Okay, chat, let me know. Thanks, everyone. If you don't participate, you're screwed. Okay. What's up, Sith Tentacle? Have you taken over any more cities with the Sith Tentacles, man? Isn't it likely we will retrace for a bit, or at least chill out at these levels until the oscillators reset before falling? Of course, Josh G, and that's why we flag. That is why we form these patterns. Zooming in hardcore so you can still see clearly, right? Hey, we can still see the city skyline and the bear pole bear flag at the same time. It's about the same size as this building, the building I live in, Kappa. All right, so yeah. Consolidation is what we're doing right now, okay? Widening the size of this flag, right? And who knows how long it could last, but you can clearly see ran up and back tested 75% trend line of the equidistant channel that is down sloping. And that was just the third anchor point 1, 2, and 3 on the flag, okay? So very, very astute point, Dash G, or question. Yes, oscillators resetting. Look, we're still oversold technically on Bitcoin down here, sitting at 27. And as you see, we're getting back to neutral on the MACD. Maybe when we get right around that neutral territory, we'll start dumping again. All right. Sweet. Whoa, King Logan's here, man. What? King Logan was talking about us making our screen literally PNG, the TradingView browser. I think We Live Crypto Man was talking about actually doing it with something. I gotta try it out. I've not had too much time. Okay, so here we go. We got peoples coming in with their weapon of choice, hydration or mind-altering substances. Okay. Thanks, Matt Carl, man. Johnny Bull's got lots of marijuanas. Zed Zerp's got whiskey and marijuanas. Crypto Hippie has the devil's lettuce. Lots of marijuanas. Okay. Bourbon and Coke for Yulia. Wet Water. Wants the Scooter. Say. Gentleman's Jack. I thought it was just Gentleman Jack. I didn't know there was an S on it. Okay, here we go. Alaskan glacier water, 8,888 years old. Was it blessed by an Eskimo medicine man, King Logan? I think it probably was. I mean, that's a long time, right? So, and it's near Eskimo people, right? Okay, Aramis has his crown on the rocks. Rob R has his Corona Light. I mean, I'm gonna have to ask another question. Should I get a beer? 1 for yes, 2 for no. Keep it with the coffee on this Friday evening. Purified urine. Wow, D-Rex, man. Well, is anyone a doctor in here or in medicine? Drinking purified urine's probably not great, but could just be water. I don't know. Holy crap. Sorry, my chat freaked out again. What's up, Jeremy S, dude? Yeah, it's like mine here, Maryland.
Crypto Kai, the RSI Greenbow, Alabama skyline looks good, Mitchell. 2020 highs from winter jail and
again, like there are reports that he is visiting Miami and Maryland. Oh God, right? That just sounds terrible, dude. Terrible. Thanks, dude, for the 5, 8, 9. That's $5.89 Ripple Kappa, or $589 Ripple. See, Mo Crypto says Mary Jane and gin and tonic, sipping on gin and juice, right? Snoop Dogg. He says he's just stopping by to drop a like. What happened to my layout? Definitely like the other one. Mo Crypto, man. Temporary. This is my lemons, okay? This is my lemonade. Life gave me lemons, so they're your lemonades here for now. All right. More lemonade right here. Okay. What's up, MK man? Good to see you. Hope y'all are having a lovely evening in Cali, dude. Though it was warmer today, it's now freezing over here, dude. Dan and Melissa. So I got 2 thumbs up, a beer, and a bourbon from you. Thanks, dude. Dude, this music has been freaking on point, man. I'm digging it, man. Where did my music just go? Of course, as soon as I say that, it just bugged out. Wow. You can't make that up, dude. Alright, so what I'm about to do, before anything, okay, Daring Noreen says I should not drink, and got a few ones. Luke Jones says 2. Josh G says 2. Billy Langford saying 2. Wow, y'all just don't want me to have a beer. I get it, man. Thanks for looking out for me. Thanks for looking out. Beer, Charles Parker. Hey, Charles, man. Next time you say something, good things will happen. Boom. Sorry, I'm about to do this thing. All right, I'm getting ready. Preparing my stomach because I'm sorry, but it's not easy doing a roller coaster ride. Okay, y'all. So hold tight. I can't fit it all on the screen. The roller coaster ride is too insane. We're gonna start back when the channel started, okay, that we've been in since February, alright? Alright, Jules, man. This one's for you, brother. Okay, guys. Hey, my name's Mac TV, Mitch TV. You can see I am but simple TA man. I am simple TA man. Alright, to go into crypto flags. Alright, man. Well, here we go. I'm starting up here, man. I can't even see, man. Alright. Wait. Where are we gonna start? Let's start right here. Whoa, okay, man. This was crazy down here. Crazy world. Okay. Alright, I'm getting a little scared, getting a little nervous. Whoa. Holy crap, man. That was insane. So, I just lost my stomach, man. This is getting crazy, dude. Getting crazy. What? Oh, here we go. This is gonna be so scary, man. Okay, dude. What? One more of these. Hold on. Yeah. Okay. All right. So we're coming on up. All right. This isn't gonna be that bad. All right. So it looks like we're stable now. It looks like all is well in the world of crypto. Bitcoin, I guess, is fine. I guess everyone forgot about crypto. No more selling. No more selling. So here we are, man. Here we are. We made it. Okay. That was for you, Jules, dude. At your request. Sorry if anyone else was freaked out about it. Sorry. You're just going to deal with the craziness, all right? That's it. It's my second roller coaster ride of all time, all right? On an actual chart. It's never been done before in this stream except today. Holy crap, man. I feel a little nauseous now. Jeez. Okay. So anyway, but hey, good time to look at the... I know there's a lot of stuff here, right?
That great saver Snoop Dogg
79
says
gin and juice,
goodbye,
man. Let's
juice.
do it, dude. Let's do it. All right, so I'm about to chug the rest of this coffee, brother man, and we're gonna do it. What is it? Whatever when the Germans bomb Pearl Harbor? Hell no.
Feeling pretty good, and that's the truth. It's neither drink or drug induced. Nah, I'm just doing alright.
When we were in the Uber after the Clippers game, was that an Uber? And first off, and was that the Uber driver that played it for us? I can't remember, dude. I was at that point. I can't remember because that's like the last time we've heard that song. It's come out of a PA or something where it's gone into my brain and I've heard it again. So, dude. That was amazing. And dude, thanks for the 59.58. Holy crap, y'all. Holy crap. Whew. Jeez, man. My God. All right. Did we get a response here? What's happening? How was the roller coaster? Was it weird on y'all side? Because see, James May wants a beer. All right, James, I'll take you up on that, dude. All right. Okay, people keep talking about my urine. No, let's not talk about my urine. And we might be better for it. All right, hold on. Dude, all right. So I am fast approaching. I'm almost out of... I've only got like 5 to 6 pieces of paper left. A ream of paper. I think a ream of paper is like 300 pages. 1 year long. Okay, 1 year of doing this. I'm about to be going to Amazon. Okay, or going to a local store. Okay, what? Going outside? Okay, so Litecoin for Vincent, man. Yeah, we'll look at Litecoin, dude. But James May, glad you're here, dude. Your last name rhymes with mine, so we might be related or something. I think that's how it works. I don't know. Why not have a beer? Yeah, dude. It's just because, like, King Logan, I just, I don't know. It's kind of like, I'm kind of like out of it. I'm kind of like waking up because I took like a 50-minute, 40-minute nap. I had to. You'll drink double for me tonight? Thanks, dude. In my honor. I need a hottie toddy, a Gashamati, Randy Schultz. No freaking way, dude. Roll Tide. Sorry, I'm just reading this and then we're just gonna move on. Mika loves this and says, hi, Lord. Hello, Mika. Where's Luca? Are they honing their Super Smash Bros. Skills? Okay. MK, make sure they keep on getting better. Raise it up a mach. What is a mach, John Lara, man? Yeah, football is almost over, and it's sad days, right? Sad days. But let's cherish the remaining days of foosball, like them Cowboys. Saints. Saints, baby. Who dat? Alright, sorry. Anyway. Can I do a Donald Trump impersonation of the markets? That's going to require TTS. I'm going to get this beer real quick. And I'll be right back. 2 seconds. Hold on a sec. Sorry about that, y'all. My bad. That's mini fridge is not in this room, so but it's just down the hall. Okay, but with Bitcoin, you know, I understand there's a lot of stuff going on in this chart. There's a lot. Look, man, I kind of like leaving this chart alone because there's just so many forms of education on this chart. All right, it's just stupid. It's everywhere. Everything kind of means something. At one point, this was all relevant to each pattern, each cipher pattern. The rising wedge, another cipher pattern, a rising wedge, a flag, a triangle, an inverse head and shoulders, downsloping channel into a huge rising wedge, and a rising wedge within a rising wedge.
Saints gonna learn Chinese like Bama.
That will make the Saints learn Chinese then. Thanks for the 444 repeating, of course, Leroy Jenkins. Alright. Thanks, dude. Okay, so you know, there's just so much rich education here. Look at the divergence. Man, we have I don't know, man, worn this chart out. Haven't looked at it as much really, I guess, since this, right? Since the whole, what was it, the tether, where was the tether scare? I think that was the tether craziness. That was like a couple days from my birthday. I can't remember. I think that was it. But anyway, once we did that, we kind of switched over to Coinbase. We said, okay, man, people were like complaining about this chart. Good, man, go to cash, don't go to whatever. Okay, like, okay. So, I don't know, okay, man. So we just started looking back at it again today and redrew that cipher pattern. It's not really as, it's okay, right? It's not that great. Excuse me. But going sideways, clearly there's some sort of support here back from November 24th, 27th, and then December 28th. Holding on right now. Here's your problem. You're below all three moving averages. Still oversold. And the volume, it kind of picked up, right? Elevated levels of volume, highest level of volume we've really seen since December 20th. All right. So just consolidating right now during the weekend. Nothing crazy there. All right. You crack this, man. Not going to be fun. Not going to have a good time. I think one thing we could do is from a low to high. We could get some targets. Assuming you're not a bear pull, bear flag person, you could see 35, 33, 35, 34, 34, 56, and then 33, 47. Okay, so this could be your first target if we breach 36, 52. All right, reasonable, right? Reasonable, but reasonable. Reason bear. High demand for roller coaster TA. Holy crap.
High demand for roller coaster TA.
I'll drink that raw bar. Don't challenge me, okay, on a drinky game with that, man. All right. So what do you want, man? You have to be specific. If you have a request for a roller coaster TA, just let me know, dude. Thanks. See, like on this chart, the X to C retrace was way too high. You want a 78% retrace. So it was probably this. All right, so weird, man. We had the pattern, we broke down, ran up one more time, and then, you know, real easy here, right? Bearish divergence either way. On not just the MACD, but RSI. But, all right, so yeah, let's go to Ethereum real quick. Thanks again, Robin. It is. Okay, so really, you know, I don't see much of a pattern established. You can try to call that a wedge all you want, dude. That's like a big nothing burger, all right? Nothing burger. Still above the 200 moving average, unlike Bitcoin, which is below all its moving averages. So one more dump, one more drop, and you will be below it, okay? I mean, really the bottom of this little trend line here is at 121. Excuse me. So we're still oversold, just like Bitcoin, just a little bit. Understandable. Bitcoin that is upsloping this consolidation. Ethereum is kind of downsloping, right? But I don't think, maybe we just don't have enough data. Maybe throughout the weekend we'll get some more candles. We know we'll get more candles, but maybe those candles will help us, help give us some more vision of what kind of consolidation we're getting, because there's just not much substance on a 4-hour chart, right? More data, please. More candles, please. Thank you. Okay. Sorry, but man, this run was stupendous. Right? Very, very nice run. It started December 15th. What do you want? Rising wedge pattern. And that was it, man. The rising wedge. Remember the huge move up? We broke down. Then the rally. We see the rally all the time, everywhere. Like even the stock market, right? The Qs, the Dow Jones. Remember back in January, we went up and then tanked. Large spike of volatility we've seen in the history of the stock market, dumped for 3 months and then ran up and rallied for the rest of the year. October 5th, it was all over, dumped. So in a shorter term scale, Ethereum did the same stuff, right? Just like so many others we see time and time again. Okay, so trend is bearish. Trend is still bearish, unfortunately. Anyway, so 59 more likes for fireworks. Let's do it, man. Fireworks. Fireworks. Like spike. 9 is the new 8. Uh-oh. Don't trigger King Logan, side girl. Don't do it. A beer for good times. That's right, Luke Jones. This beer is for good times. Oh, this is my only IPA. I have water beers. Copious amount of water beers after this. So that's exactly what I need, an inebriated chat audience, okay? How's Turb looking? I don't know. We might not ever look at Turb again. Crypto. Holy crap. What is it, Ross? Lusby says the SEC unfortunately doesn't have the budget to make any decisions on crypto for 2 years, maybe? Uh-oh. Or uh-oh. Uh-oh. Holy crap, man. Sorry. This chat box is so screwed. For possible target shorts on Bitcoin, you have 3660, then 3750, then 3823, 3896. Joshua Ramsey, Bitcoin. Oops. Dang it, man. Can't mess with this one. Though I know I can do. Yeah, 38. Wait. Oh, you're talking about entry for the short? An entry for the short. Sub no FOMO. Good to see, dude. DF is silent. What? OMO? No OMO. Big Kang's doing thing. What's up, John Lara? Sorry, I'm just trying to get it together, y'all. All right, remember that nap. It's gonna feel like I went into hibernation. All right. Nothing's good to chug. What? Blockchain Bulls is drinking a Fort George Pale Ale. Wonderful, dude. Wonderful. Where's that out of? Dustin Witt says the whole country's in a recession soon. Won't have any money for anything. Thus the need for Bitcoin as a means of currency. I don't know, man. Maybe, right? I think it's just a slow-going thing. Hey, what's up, Trent Harris? Says, long time no watchy. I've changed things up. I see, Trent. It's to change up as temporary. This is my lemonade, okay, man? Lemonade. Okay, lemonade. Whatever, dude. Who cares? City skyline, baby. All right. XRP, USD. All right, man. Here's Ripple's symmetrical triangle, bearish breakout, and we dumped. Got over 50% of the way to our target of the measure move, which was down at 30.5 cents. You know, okay. So it looks almost identical to Bitcoin. Making an adjustment here. I mean, it's moving almost perfectly the way Bitcoin is. Okay, so bear pole, bear flag going on right now. All right, so do we have a secondary measured move in the works? I think we do, man. I think we do. Y'all can see this. Is this clear? Even on the smaller screen with the city skyline? I don't know, man. I feel like city skyline with the music, it just kind of gives a glow, an aura to the stream, right? So Brian Griffin, man. Okay, so look, if we were to do some sort of bear flag, it wouldn't be good, man. It would not bode well for ye at all. Man, talking about a measure move down here. 28.9 cents, dude. We've been there before multiple times, right? Remember down here? Remember here? Why not again? This clearly, okay, is not being interpreted by the market as any kind of viable investment. That's the market interpretation. If this was being treated as a viable investment, this thing would not keep dumping back down to 28 cents over and over and over again, going back to summer of 2017 levels. That is 2017 levels. Right, just over and over and over. Okay, I mean, sorry, it's a trader's market. Even Ripple, I'm sorry, it's tough love, okay? Because though Ripple might be a global banking solution and it's working well and all that, it's helping people, the market doesn't look at some point, things that are lucrative, that make money, and they make money for the people who invest in their assets. Eventually you'll just get trends that look like this over the course of forever, right? It'll look like that just for years, right? Do we have to? Do we really have to go to Walmart and show you, dude, the craziness? Let's just go to the weekly on Walmart, man. What's a asset that makes stupid amounts of money? What's it look like over a long period of time? This is what it looks like, dude. Okay. Started back in 1972. Oh, the golden years, man. Didn't BAM win a title that year? Something like that. That was the dynasty, man. Oh my God. So, yeah, man. Ripple's not like that right now. Of course, Ripple is like, you know, hasn't been around that long, of course. But I'm just telling you, we're just talking here, okay? We're just discussing what lucrative assets do for the shareholders, okay? So, anyway, let's go to Litecoin. All right, man. Unfortunate, sad days, but hey, man, this is why people take profits. We got in down here, right shoulder, ran up, broke the neckline, thought we was Kangs. We started another trade setup where we would enter down here at 37. We hit our entry, ran up one more time, but the extreme bearish divergence killed us, man. It killed us. Then, you know, Bitcoin dumping, see ya, Litecoin going from the high of 41.20 all the way down to test the 200 MA at $30. Wow. So losing 25% of your value in a matter of 4 or 5 days. Crypto, man. Crypto. That's it, man. Like, so you've fallen out of the upsloping channel, anchor point 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. You're out, man. You're out. So not even oversold anymore. You're 32, very weak, very bearish on the RSI. You still have lots of negative momentum. You're not at neutral yet. I think this thing is just kind of been selling off with Bitcoin. And let's try to see some pattern development, man, because we don't have any yet, all right? We don't have. There's not much really anything we can do or discuss about what's happening right now. Litecoin has not given us anything. Okay, so then we just say, hey, let's just go back to home base. Excuse me. Gosh dang it, man. Go back to Bitcoin and look at Bitcoin, which is forming a bear flag. Litecoin's gonna most likely follow daddy. But Mark Cooper.
At the team hotel, and this young man says hello. He's still heartbroken. Roll Tide.
Hey,
to
Mark Cooper, man,
2019
thanks for 1999. Well, maybe you can avenge and remedy all the heartache and loss for so many of us. Okay, man. Roll Tide. Cowboys. Look, man, I mean, I'm always going to root for former Bama players, right? Dude, and Mark Cooper is just so good, so talented. So, thanks, man, Mark Cooper, for the 1999 Kings. So 1999, what? Okay, 1999 gives me the Irwin coffee in the jar. Sorry, it's loud. Holy crap. Whoa, my chat just... It's so weird how the chat box won't update and then it'll just completely update. What's up, Crypto W, dude? Can't really read the numbers. Sorry, dude. Listen. My bad, y'all. There we go. Better. Sorry. Beer and popcorn confirmed? Yes. Scantomo. Oh, is it? Is XRP going to 589? Billy, man, really? I don't think so, dude. Jeez, man. Jeez. No, I can put the EOS on the list, whatever, dude. Trying to see what pair. Oof. Goodness. Gotcha. Alright, that one makes sense. Wow. Holy crap. Okay, yeah, we'll look at EOS. We can go to it right now, I guess. Free TA. Yep, well, I guess true. Skyward, man, true. Just sure as reading chat. Crypto Abyss, man, yes. Is it possible that what we see on the Bitcoin chart is not a bear flag, but the bottom on a new channel that's just bigger than I plotted? The bottom of a channel? Oh, of course, Dustin, but tape, man, that's fine. Like, Dan and Melissa, is there a joint? Sorry, I have to do my sound effects. Thanks so much, Dan and Melissa, for the 20 bar 20. The Jesus people, the Iowa Jesus peoples, trying not to freeze in Iowa. Y'all amazing. Freaking love y'all. Thank you. Y'all amazing. Jeez, man. What kind of name is that? F off is his literal YouTube name. Calm down, buddy, man. Alright. So, Martin, it seems like we're going to consolidate with Bitcoin on Litecoin. We've already dumped 25% of value in a few days. Okay, so need to consolidate, form some sort of pattern before we move again, probably. What happened to Dan, man? Your snap? F-ing sell what? Yeah, Stuart, man. Maryland, dude. Maryland. With the system, the TTS is taking a little longer. Wait 5 more seconds before talking. Oh, my bad, Dustin Whitman.
Stupid phone is messing up.
Dan, man. Ben's 420, man. Thanks for the 420. Is it a joint contribution, man? I think I'm saying it too low right now. Thanks, brother, man, for the 2420 and the 420. Holy crap, the marijuana's in the jar. Thanks, dude. Whew. Gosh dang chat box, man. Right back at you, Crypto W, man. Why no super chats anymore? Moonshine Fuel, man. If you knew me or know me, I've never in the history of streaming ever had super chat, bro. But we have Stream Elements. The link is in the description below. All right. Have Melissa do it. Damn, man. It's all good, man. Yeah, the phone can be weird sometimes. I know, dude. You say you're done with it. You're down with it being a bear flag. You're short now, but it just seems really silly to place a blatant bear flag so near what could be the bottom. Still no evidence. It isn't the bottom, dude. There's never evidence that it's the bottom until we form those swing highs. But dude, do you just want me to not plot? Look, you have anchor points, right? You have 3 anchor points. 1, 2, 3. If I have anchor points, it's fair game for me to plot any kind of channel I want. Okay, it's upsloping right now, and there's just not that much data, which we understand that. Okay, but channel-wise, the interpretation, what I see a downsloping channel, anchor point 1 and 2 on the bottom, 3 and 4 and 5 on the top. That's the way I look at it. So I see that we broke through a 25%, or excuse me, the 75% trend line of the equidistant channel, and I think we are forming slightly upsloping consolidation. We're below all 3 moving averages right now. That's the way I see it. So others can interpret it the way they want to, and hey, man, that's fine. I'm sure other people are saying different things, and you watch me because you maybe want to hear what I have to say, and if you don't want to listen to what I say, or you don't believe what I say, that's fine, right? So it's cool, man. Everyone has their thoughts and opinions on how things are interpreted by the market. That's fine. Well, there, Atomic Stag. There you go, dude. There you go. Beer flag, Zed serves exactly. We do know it's a beer flag. A weekend beer flag, yes. Holy crap. $5.89 end of the year. So easy, Caveman can do it. Yeah, pretty much, dude. Bitcoin dumps to 3,200. Shoot, man. Where's Litecoin going? Probably back down near its lows. Okay, near the head. Near the head of the inverse head and shoulders, right? Oh, excuse me. Cowboys have the defense to do it. Yeah, they do. That's cool, man. That's cool. I just think that this channel is still very valid, man. It's been very well respected. Okay, we had it as a parallel channel before, right? In other words, going to dump. We don't know if it's going to dump for sure for the W, man. But all I know is after look, we're in a bear market. Prevailing trend is bearish. You rejected prices higher at a critical level of downsloping resistance. It seems to be forming slightly upsloping consolidation after an impulse. And you've hit the 236 from a high to low, meaning when you hit a 236, that gives you indication, a reason to believe that you have formed that swing low you're looking for, so you can actually fib. Until you hit a 23% retrace, you can't really fib because you don't know if the swing low is real yet. So we think we found the swing low, at least for now, slightly, right? And that's where we're going to fib, and we know now 23% retrace and 75% trend line of the equidistant channel has been hit and rejected. Okay, so not only that, so we have 3 things we hit here. We hit the 200 moving average, we hit the 75% trend line of the equidistant channel, and we hit the 236 at 36.92 and rejected those prices, all 3 of them. It's like confluence, like crazy confluence right there. The meeting of 3 rivers. Okay, whatever. So anyway, yeah, this thing could extend on. We could run up to 38.38 and it really wouldn't matter. It would still be a 50% retrace. We could run up to 3,900 and you could be like, oh my God, man, is this a bull run? It's like, no, you're still a scrub. You're still a scrub. You're gonna be making lower highs than your previous highs consecutively, and then you could dump after that. It doesn't really matter, but for now, with what the information we have in front of us, flag. That's it. Uh-oh. What are you, Stuart? What NFL fan are you, dude? Are you a Dolphins fan? Oh, don't you be talking about that, Billy, man. Don't talk about that word, that name in here. Hold on. Good job, man. Someone needs to shut their dog up outside. In my office, I don't have to hear, I don't know. I'm like, in my office, I'm like, the window is like the front door, and this office is facing towards my woods and like other parts of the neighborhood way back there. So like, I don't know, I hear more dogs barking back here for some reason. It's weird. Whew. A bounce at 3,200, making a descending triangle inside your channel. It could, man. Yeah, maybe. But really, it's not a technical reaction low until we run back up. Okay. When you break down, you can bounce. But really, yeah, 3,200. Yeah, there's a wick there. That's crazy, man. That's wow. The measured move, right? The way we have it would put us right at that December 7th low. That's crazy, man. All right, so. We even remember we have our fib extensions too, so if you're not a measured move person and you want other targets, we can do that. Excuse me, low to high. We got 34.24, 33.47, and 32.36 on this chart. I know we just did that on Bitfinex. So look, there you go. We have a little bit of confluence between the measured move and the 1.618, the golden mean ratio. Boom. All right, let's get rid of that for now. Don't need it until we crack it. We crack the support right at 35.66. Okay, so oh my God, Melissa, her daughter gets married tomorrow. Melissa, congratulations! That's amazing. That's very, very cool. And I don't have any confetti. I don't have anything. I'm sorry. I just don't. I'm so lean right now on this layout. I can't. I have over 100 sources on some of my scenes on the battle station or in the war room, but here I have like 10 sources maybe. So sorry, but hey, congrats. It's a huge day for you tomorrow, Melissa. We wish her well. What's up, Tyler Hill, man? Thanks for tuning in. Where's the princess? You can't wait to see her Halloween costume for 2019, Jallar? Yeah, man, me neither. I can't either. Right. Miss Cantomo has contributed so much to the community. I agree, Miss Cantomo, dude. Thank you so much for all the love and support. All right, dude. Day in, day out. You're amazing, man. Jeez, dude. Yeah, Crypto W. I don't know who it is, but they must have just put their dog outside and then left. Because this dog, and what's it barking at? Like, I get it, man. You just gotta Put in your mind, yeah, dogs, even the smartest dogs have the cognition of a 2-year-old infant, okay? Woods in downtown Greenbow? Nah, Aramis, dude. I'm just kidding, Kappa Man, right? Yeah, because we all know this is downtown Greenbow. As you can see, this is my loft. My room is right there. That's my room, dude. Okay. Right outside my window, I see all of Greenbow. Beautiful. It's a bolstering city. Our main trade is memes. We're a meme manufacturership, and that's what kind of started it all for us. Memes, dude. Started with dirt roads, now Pepe's everywhere. All right. It's beautiful, dude. We just became, Greenbow just became the capital city of Alabama. We overtook Montgomery, man. Holy crap. Would you believe it? Dan's having some issues with his phone, and he was getting aggravated at it. He wanted to apologize. Oh, it's all good, Melissa. Yeah, I can tell. No, I have issues with my phone sometimes too. It can be very, very aggravating. So, completely empathetic of that. I think others are too, Melissa. So let him know. Hopefully he's listening, but if not, just relay it. Relay it. What do I think about people saying we bounced off the green weekly 200 moving average on Bitcoin, and that's the bottom? Normally, when you're approaching those critical simple moving averages, the first time you'll bounce. Give it enough time after the bounce, the retrace to fib nodes. When the selling begins again, you're not going to be as lucky on the second time when you cross over variously the 200 week moving average, right? So, say we get below 31.21 at this point. We're going to break that. We're going to breach the 200 moving average, right? 200 week moving average. Not good. Sing for her? I don't know, man. I don't want to embarrass myself too much, okay? I've never sung on stream, really. Happy birthday, but I try not to actually make tonality out of it because it could be embarrassing. You remember last year's costume? Dustin Witt? Yeah, me too, man. It's in my dreams. Halloween, the month of October was lit, Brian Griffin, man. It was crazy, dude. When am I going back to California or LA? Sometime in March, John. That is penciled in. Okay, we're shooting for later March, so I could probably be there on St. Patrick's Day, which would be legendary, right? Gosh dang chat box, what does it do this, man? There's gotta be like an option, right? Send feedback. All right, stop. I can't do this, man. This keyboard. Oh, I keep misspelling everything. There you go. Feedback sent. They are screwed. Hopefully they listen it out, right? Greenbow is the fib capital of the world, Billy, man. Oh my God. Hey, Ruben. Thanks for the sub on YouTube. Do this, man. Thanks, dude. Hope you're having a wonderful Friday evening. If you have any questions about technical analysis, hit us up in the chat or the Discord. Remember, if you're in here and you're not in our Discord, but you want to keep the conversation going, the link is in the description below. Join us. Over 1,000 strong. Amazing. No way, dude. City ordinance? There is no city ordinance, dude. I do not live in the city, dude. In reality, all right. So yeah. Believe me, I could go out and get my ACR. It's already loaded. All I have to do is, hit my charging handle, take the safety off, boom, 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 boom. It's legal. It's super legal. Okay, just straight up in the air. Mitch, not to be a wise butt, but sometimes dogs bark and bark as a warning that something is amiss. Well, this dog, I'm missing too much. Okay. Hey man, I've got motion sensor video cameras on every side of my house. Floodlights, automatic lights that pop on. I'm gonna know about if something's amiss, dude. So bring it on. All right, bring it on, Stuart, man. Weaponry everywhere. So it's almost like dude, it's almost like taunting, right? Test me. Whoever is out there, Stuart, triggering that dog, right? You imagine me in the bayou? What? I have no Cajun in here. They drive fast in my city? Yeah, dude. These are all Elon Musk cars. Okay, they're all Telsas, Kappas. All right. It's the Tesla Kappa, right? The new Kappa XL. All right. What's wrong with them? I don't know, dude. I think I'm getting... What is up, man, with the focus on this thing? What's up, Garrett K? When will the technical difficulties get fixed? Good question. My guy, David, is coming tomorrow morning. We'll be working on it all day until we're dead or it's fixed. Okay, one or the other. Oh yeah, John Lara, the Doubletree, man. Just got to see what everyone has planned, right? No, Christopher, not at all. All right, you're terrified. Unsub, Brian. Get wrecked, dude. Get wrecked. Oh my God. Hey, what's up, Beach Life, man? Thanks for tuning in. All right, so anyway, we were just in that discussion with Bitcoin. Been live now. Wow, an hour 5 minutes, dude. How's this even real life, dude? I don't even know. I was like, US, man, US. Alright, dude, so this dumpster fire, it broke out, but did nothing, right? Nothing after the breakout. So we're just kind of going sideways, right? I mean, you could probably, just like the rest of these other coins, like, there's so many others, right? Let's try to anchor here. Yeah. Trying to make sense of its price action, right? So anchor point 1 and 2 on the bottom, and then 1 on the top, right? I don't know, we just had this upsloping channel, and then we just kind of broke out of it, right? Just recently with Bitcoin. All right. So you broke the trend line that was upsloping. That's fine, man. Seems like we had some sort of what? Not much substance on this pattern, man, because there's no real swing low. I don't know, man. I don't think you can call this any kind of ascending triangle. Not really. I don't see a real reaction. I see 1 and 2 here, I guess, but you don't really, I don't know, dude. I see there was some sort of resistance here at 73.55 sats. If this is a swing low, maybe we could draw something, but all right, you're just doing what everything else is doing, right? You're just you're dumping and then you're hitting a 200 MA. Hey, Litecoin's doing the exact same thing. Kind of rounding. Maybe we'll get a descending scallop, run up, and then dump again. Sell off again. So, let's try this out. Let's just mess with it, okay? Let's say this was the swing low. This could be what we're talking about, right? Right, we're looking for this, okay? That makes sense, right? There you go. Maybe some sort of symmetrical triangle is developing right now. Some price contraction, higher lows. So EOS, maybe that's what's going on, dude. For now, we don't really know though. This is the swing low. We probably made a 23% retrace from high to low, so that's good. So now we can draw the trend lines, the anchor points, and see what happens from there, right? We almost got oversold, not quite. So we're sitting at 39, so there's still room to run to the downside, all right? So hold on a sec. Okay, so that's it, dude. I mean, this is like so many coins did this, man. ADA did it, I remember specifically. A few other pairs definitely did it. I think Neo did the same thing. They had these downsloping channels that broke out, did nothing, and formed these other downsloping channels that weren't near as steep in descent, right? So still in the parameters of that, it seems. So we're gonna plot it the same way. Where do we bounce? Bounced off a March 18th low. Dang, dude. Well, it was such a good investment, man. Okay. Traders market. Okay, cool. Possibly Garrett K. We could run to the 618. Volume receding tremendously now on the major indices though, right? So dang, man, I missed some chat. Holy crap. Dang, dude, gaming crypto, you dropped off a computer at someone's house today and their dog attacked you. What do you do in those particular situations, man? Did you survive gaming crypto, or are you typing from heaven, dude? Randy Schultz, what? You got bit? Oh. Why are you apologizing, Randy? Oh, was it your house that he delivered to? I saw Christopher. It's all good, Christopher Ward, man. I appreciate the thoughts. Dedicated education daytime. I don't know, man. All my like study stuff is in the other room, and I don't know, man. I normally kind of like getting it kind of ready. I like scene changing on my other monitor. Like I have my little process on my other setup in there, and it's just been really, everything's been this week very chaotic. Just getting the stream up has been difficult enough, all right? So but no devoted times. It's kind of random, but if you're a patron, all this stuff's literally handed to you on a silver platter. The Eclipse. ultra elite dad jokes. Yeah, there are, Mr. Cantemo. Seriously. What's up, Jason McHugh, man? Blockchain Bulls says just started watching this channel a few days ago, and I keep it entertaining. Man, so you have you even seen me on my other PC? Have you seen me not on a green screen, Blockchain Bulls? That's a big question, man. All right. So we're talking about the S&P 500. The daily right now. Okay, we ran up. What did we do from a high to low? We cracked 50% retrace. 25.72. 26.26 is your golden retrace, right? And we're hey, but we talked about the scenario of hitting that because it's near the 50-day moving average. There was no indication of impending price action reversal to the downside upon us yet. But we said this area up here, 26.30, was going to be a critical resistance. We could easily get there if we wanted to, right? But here's your issue, kind of gapped up. Ugh. Dude, the volume is just so, I don't know, man. It's receding. We're making these higher prices. Dude, an area of probable low risk for a short is 26.26, okay. But I mean, let's look, man. The lower highs, lower lows, okay, consecutive lower lows. But hey, here's the thing, man. Maybe not, because look, our upsloping channel, we bounced right out. We fell outside of it momentarily and then had a huge bounce to the upside. Not much volume on this little V, is there? Not much volume at all. Okay. So let's see what happens at 26.26, all right? The confluence zone, our first confluence zone is literally where we bounced. That's why we plotted this, okay? These are all confluence zones. This is the first one. Popped. All right, so that's it. You like both layouts? Yeah, gaming crypto. I do too, man. And I think some others also feel the same way. Sometimes it's kind of hyperbole one side or the other. But what I talked about in the day stream is I am looking into getting a mechanism installed literally in my ceiling or on my ceiling that is remote controlled to where all I have to do is hit a button and a green screen will literally roll down out of that thing and be behind me, and I can hit a button and it will roll back up. So when I have everything set up and my other, have my supercomputer set up, the sky's the limit, right? Uh-oh. James at the water cooler. Holy crap, man. And this chat box, I swear, well, we just complained about it, right? Dude, we have an extremely tight-knit community here, man, Blockchain Bulls, and I'm so proud of that, being able to be a medium for congregation, I guess, right? Do we have a B-Day? What are you talking about? Oh, Ricky, no, it's Ricky's birthday like every day. I think that's a joke, right? Yeah, join our Discord for sure. Joshua Ramsey, you drank too much already, dude? How much have you drank tonight, Joshua, man? Let us know. Illuminate us. Ricky, is it really your birthday, though? Because I remember birthdays. Happy birthday, Ricky W, like every other day, right? Am I crazy? What's up, Bits on Bits, man? Where you been, dude? Welcome back, man. Turn the song on, Mr. Cantemo? I should, because I need a drink, right? Hey, Sam Easy, man. All hail you, dude. Thanks for being here, brother. You like the crazy looking stream, Bits on Bits, man. Joshua Ramsey, what are you going to do with those 3 more Sierra Nevadas? Alright. You would so bright with this thing dropped to 100 points. Oh yeah, you're talking about the S&P 500 or you're talking about Bitcoin? I'm going to turn this music up for Mr. Cantemo, his request. It is, I'm digging it though. Alright. I'll be right back. Okay. Hang tight. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the sights and sounds of the technical analysis. Kangs. Yank Queens. Hold on, man. Let me see if I can do like this. Okay, I can't hear anything right now. All right, turn a little bit. Let me do this real quick and be like, okay, man. Let's see if I'm standing up. I'm like, okay, man. All right. So if we, I'm doing like this. Dang, dude, that's so weird. All right, so we clearly see that we have a bear pull bear flag on Bitcoin, and clearly the bear pull bear flag is a bearish continuation pattern where we can go down to lower prices. Go on down to lower prices, man. Okay. I don't know. As I've never done that before. Well, so I did something like that for real in front of a camera. like this was meteorology class in college. Holy crap. Hello? You hear me? The music sounds good still. More good music? Are you kidding me? Now that's what I call Kang's music. Hello? Anyone here anymore? Probably not, right? Let me crack this thing for Julia. Ooh, sorry. I know this is probably really loud. My bad. I'm conflicted, alright. I'm kind of digging the left side, right? All the posers are always right here, right? So change it up, and hey, how long will it take the posers to start doing everything on the left side, right? Well, you know you're freaking stealing everything. All right. Anyway. Blockchain Bulls, it expired. Can someone get this man a link? Stat. Not my first weatherman impression. For TA, yes. But no, I've stood in front of green screens many a time. And just different variations of my life, okay, because of schemata, my uncle, and all that, so. Well, the dog saw barking, Stuart, man, so maybe the bad guy fed him steaks or something, I don't know. Crypto W, you drink too much, dude. What'd you drink too much of? You're not the Sierra Nevada, are you? Do you remember? What's up, Alexander, dude? The Independence Day, Alien Jesus, Matt Damon's band. Big round of applause, Beast Last Man. Simple Beast Last Man. Simple Matt Damon, Alien Jesus Man, Independence Day. Or something. Okay. Some Bart heads incoming, Jason McHugh. Do you think this is a Bart head? Bart head into Bart head, or Bart head into Bear Pull Bear Flag? Right? What's up, Bearable Guy? 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3. Gosh dang it. I need like 3 more monitors, okay, right now. I feel so naked. What's the forecast in Greenbow? It gon' rain. Breath gon' dip. Hodge Twins would say Billy, man. Wish I had that sound clip. No stream dead. What's up, Renee? We sometimes don't talk, but we're watching. Thanks, Renee, for the update. The lurk alert. NA right is better. Nah, right is better. Not NA. What? You don't like the left, man? Oh my god, man. Feel up my head, man. How weird is this, dude? Oh my god, dude. The green screen is ridiculous, man. I'm having too much fun with it, and this is why I need a mechanism in my ceiling so I can access the green screen anytime I freaking want, okay? It's gonna happen. Y'all will see. I don't care how much money it costs. It's gonna happen. Left is more balanced. Wait, I'm left. Or our left. Well, I'm left-handed. But on your screen, I look right-handed, don't I? Or something. But Thanos would say that I should just be right here. Okay, so Thanos, I am in the center. Everything's balanced. Kings. All right. I think the Discord link, Julia. I don't know though. I thought mine was working in the description below. Binance, Stuart, I think, right? Take your computer away, Joshua. Take my green screen away because I'm having too much fun with this equipment. Anyway. What's up, Jason? The Miami nightclub Jesus man. Super treatment, yeah. This is just, dude. It's just temporary. This is me making lemonade, dude. W, how are you in the middle of the ocean, dude? I don't understand. D7 Tommy drinking some Lagunitas, dude. Awesome, great beer. Cali. Anyway, so I don't know, man. I don't know, dude. Kind of, you know, kind of just chilling tonight, man. Look, I've streamed. Let's see, I've done. Well, I've had to deal with like 2 days. Let's see, 11 hours plus of trying to get my computer to work with the new equipment. 12 hours, 11 hours, whatever. Early this week, that was a super headache. I mean, exhausting and demoralizing. All right, getting this secondary setup extremely just starting over from scratch is not fun. Okay, I had 0 sources here, 0 scenes, just so. And then once I got it rolling, I've done, you know, from I think Tuesday onward, what, close to 10 live streams or something. So I've just, it's been a long week for me. I know people think, hey man, whatever, Ray, dude, whatever. But I'm kind of drained, and I look forward to these weekend streams because I know there's not as much pressure on me to do as much charting, right? Like, you know, 20 charts a stream. And again, some people go like, whatever, Ray, 20 charts is nothing. I get it. Yeah, to some people. So I'm just hanging out here with y'all, my peoples, and I'm just happy that y'all are here with me. Okay, I know the numbers will continue dwindling, but hey, whatever. Mr. Cantomo. Does that deserve to know? I did not. I don't believe you told us that you got hacked the other day. No. What are the headphones for? I don't have my stereo stuff in here, so I have to have headphones to be able to hear the audio and y'all. Well, no, just the audio. I read for y'all. Yes, I'm a southpaw, Miss Cantomo. Super. So think about it. I'm a left-handed. I'm a redhead, and I've got blue eyes. Holy crap! And my name's Mitch. So. And I'm really weird. You know that, right? So. Oh yeah, Benito's running for vice mayor. Yes, vice. Keyword vice. Okay. Dang, dude. Kool-Aid King says, the more you know. Not a single left-handed starting quarterback in the NFL. That's crazy, dude. Wow. That's right, Jason, man. You've been around a long time, dude. Thanks for just sticking around and coming back time and time again. Hey, Jason, man, we're going on a year. It seems like the first live stream I ever did was January 23rd, 2018 with Larley and Rev. But my first content creation for HOC solo by myself was February 9th. So I don't even know which one is going to be the anniversary, all right? P. Miller again working probably around 10 to 11 a.m. Central Time tomorrow until probably day stream. Probably missing the day stream if things don't go well. All right, so do I even green turtleneck, bro? Locos free? No, I don't have a green turtleneck. I'd literally have to get one. All right. Thanks for the hard, brother. Ooh, that's what she said, or something. I don't know. Appreciate you too, Loco, man. Swing trading people. Yeah, dude, seriously, King Logan, dude. What's going on in here? But isn't that what you use to swing trade people, Kang Logan, cryptocurrency, man? Like Monero? That's right, Lefty Power, dude. 10% of us. What's up, Jeff, dude? The green screen's not for you. Well, Jeff, man, I'm making lemonade, okay? Because if you don't know, I know you're busy and stuff, Jeff, but, dude, this is my alternative office, my alternative PC, my alternative monitors, my alternative literally everything. And I had to make do. It's either a gray wall with no decorations, nothing, or a green screen. And I think, Jeff, you might like this. Who doesn't like a nice little skyline at nighttime with the chart? Who cares, man? You know, it's just like, I had no choice. I bought my motherboard and my Threadripper, and it just, there's a lot of issues with the design of the motherboard for the TR 2nd Gen Threadripper, and half of them out there are lemons. I've learned this by reading and us finding out the hard way. So the new motherboard is in. It was delivered today. The new Threadripper is in. It was ordered yesterday. It was brought in today or yesterday. So those parts are waiting. My IT guy will be here in the morning, and we're praying to God that the connectivity between the CPU and the motherboard works flawlessly, and the supercomputer will be up and running by tomorrow. And I'll be back in my office, my main office, not my alternative office. That's it. That's the story. Shit, man. Holy crap. What's up, John Legend, dude? What, Pat Holmes throws with both? And amphibious? I thought it was ambidextrous, right? Amphibious, does that mean he's waterbound or something? Yep, Jason, we've got a few more years probably for that, right? Or more. Of course, man. Why alternative you moved out? No, just because, like, I've just got other stuff in this room. It was really just kind of like this place setter office. We set up a green screen for Princess Riley when she was here, and she was here for, like, Christmas vacation stuff. She was able to spend an extended amount of time here, but the green screen's up. And there's like a desk. It's just, everything's just kind of ready-made. So for the alt, just plugged up the PC, and boom, you know, it was quick. It was easier. Okay, easier than not streaming at all. Okay, so thanks, Jason. Man. Yeah, we're in the battle station, not the war room, right? Thanks, Jim, man. Rick says he bets he's the only patron from Wyoming. You might be right, dude. You might be right. All right. Look, Discord, sorry. See, I'm not even able to see. Oh, by the way, night stream. The day stream got to see it, but I'm going to show y'all. So, Irwin Coffee might be getting it to tea soon. They gave me some samples. Look. Vet Moonboy, Space Capsule Tea Infuser. Oops. Space Capsule Tea Infuser. Dude, this is gonna be. I cannot wait till this thing comes in, man. All freaking in. Okay. There's only like 2 left in stock, so if you want to get it on Amazon, good luck. Might like etch in VeChain, the VeChain logo. How nuts would that be, right? Hold on. 1G Project, what's up, dude? I'm looking. What happened, dude? Discord. Oh, 1G Project. Oh my god. Hold on. Hold on. Let me see how I can do this, alright? Give me a sec. Oh, you did a YouTube video. Oh my god, dude. Hold on. Alright, let's see. Good. Alright, this is 1G Project. 1G Project. What? Oh my god. The 2-beer chug. Holy crap. What? Chug for Julia. Can't pump. What did it say? Can't pump and dump. Hold on. Can't pump the what? Can't pump too heavy. 8888. Bitcoin 8888. 135, baby. 135. The Nautilus. Dude, oh my god. Dude, 1G Project, why did you not even bring this up? There is a freaking golden mean, Julia, golden mean ratio on this man's freaking workout station. I can't even believe this, dude. That's the most super sexual thing I've seen in ages. Golden mean ratio. 1G Project, you didn't even mention it, dude. I'm a little disappointed, but I get it, dude. Fantastic video. Love you, dude. Holy crap. Amazing, dude. Amazing. Whew. That was beautiful. I'm totally amphibious. Randy Schultz, man. Is that true? Who was the famous basketball player? Was it Basketball Jones, dude? Battlestar Galactica TA will be in full force, defending the galaxy from the FOMO soon. Yeah, dude, it sure will, man. Don't get wrecked, right? Flowtech logos for you. Wait, sorry. Well, we gapped up, didn't we, man? We gapped up crazy. We're sitting at freaking 91 on the RSI. Holy crap. Jeez, dude. Jeez. Good lord. You broke out, too. Good night. You broke out. But here's the thing on Flowtech Industries, right? Beautiful channel, right? Beautiful. You don't get too much opportunity to see much respect here on this channel. I don't know what other way we would look at it, right? Anchor point one. You did it like that, you'd already broken out, and it didn't really serve any purpose to us. So this anchor point right here, you busted out, bump and run stuff, right? $200-day moving average on Flowtech. Okay, daily. High to low, where have we gone? Okay, we're just floating between the 236 and 382. A lot of indecision. We gapped up, but not much movement after the gap up, right? A lot of indecision, right? It's a huge amount of volume, largest spike of volume we've seen literally since November of 2015. My God. Hey, good for us that we broke out. Momentum shift finally. But maybe we'll come in and we back test before running up again. Okay, but that's great news here. Great news. Buying in now is certainly folly when you got 91 on the RSI on the 4 hour and 84 on the RSI on the daily. Extremely overbought. Guess what, dude? Largest spike of relative strength we've seen since November of 2010. Logo. Good God. But yeah, that's it, dude. Major high to low. Again, here it is. That's it, man. 322, you'd expect us maybe to hit that. 390, 458. Common retrace in right here between the 382 and the 618. But 200-day moving average have not broken it. You could not break it on the gap up. Sorry, man. Couldn't do it. Beautiful, dude. Beautiful. Hoover beer, Julia? What? Julia! Quickies.
Couple of quickies for
so
1G
good.
Project. Respect.
Thanks, Julia Guskuski for the 1618. Much love. Thanks for that golden mean ratio in the jar. How apropos. Good God. Love it, man. Taking it. Gosh dang it. Here's the larger chart. Not bad, y'all. Now, there was some extremely nice bullish divergence, but I don't know if the divergence was what gave us this pop. Could have just been some news or something. Locos Free, you want to illuminate us, give us a little bit more information on this. Julia Wood, Golden Mila. Julia, thanks for the 1618 times 2. What about the golden meme ratio? Meme. There are too many chords here. Is this thing on? Thanks, Julia Guskowskis. Super duper Nautilus, and you're Nautilus and hard in the jar. In the jar. Chug for Julia. That's right, Miss Cantoma. Side girl is, whoa, what? I haven't seen that emoji, open mouth emoji. I've never seen that, I don't think, on YouTube. It's almost like Poggers, Side girl. Poggers. Yeah, I want some 1G LTE, Billy, man. Hook me up with that 1G. Oh, yeah, I forgot to ask. Yeah, 1G Project. I was thinking about your name. I think I was, like, dreaming or just waking up or something, and I was like, 1G Project. Dude, is he, like, 1G Project? Because it's, like, we have, like, 4G, and you like 1G. I don't understand. Okay, man. Bits on Bits says intense. Intense, dude. Fibs is real. B-Slice, yes they are. Spaceman T-Infuser doesn't come up. Tried. Did it already sell out? I mean, I did post it on Discord, I think a little earlier in the day, so could be sold out. What's up, Runeslayer, man? CX, man. CX. What are they up to? I saw Ice was live earlier. Wasn't able to tune in. Dude, it was weird last night, though. The whole Runeslayer, if you saw EBZ sitting talking to Ice about Hannah and stuff, that was weird, dude. What he was drinking the Hennessy because Henny Man was there. Dude, that was really weird conversation they had. Jason Feller claims the Spaceman tea infuser is FUD. Yeah, dude, I'll show you FUD when I sift tea live on stream. Okay, I'll show you how much FUD there is. Bits on Bits, man. He found it. He found it. I can't triple blood left hand or right hand, man. Okay. Nice, Jason. He's ordering it, dude. Boom. Kangs. Alright, Colin, man. You want some local on the 8s, dude? Okay. It's kind of like... Oh, man, it's so beautiful. Dun, 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 dun. Your local on the 8s. Bitcoin. Currently 36, 35, 95. With a pattern, possibly of a purple beer flag. What would they say? What would the robot say? Activation of storm. What is it? A storm crew and storm management may be needed at this time. Something like that. I don't know. You just noticed the cowboy star emoji? Yeah, that's Probst. You know how Probst was a former NFL football player, the Cowboys, and he has a variation. Any kind of member of this community that wants a variation of something for a tip for the jar, you let me know and I can make it for you, no problem. There's an unlimited amount of variations. So, right, Jules is next for the emoji ball, but if you want a temporary place setter, if you tip a lot and you're like, hey man, I like this or that, can you put this in the jar if I tip this much? And be like, sure, dude, why not, man? I'll create it tonight or tomorrow, whatever. It doesn't require a lot of work for me. So, but I think it makes it a lot of fun. Okay, it gives you a signature in the jar, right? What's up, Greg? I'm old Greg K. One G Project can slowly taste his whiskey. Yes, with 1G. With 1G, I can slowly taste it, man. Are you sure you can even taste it though, 1G Project? You might just be tasting like water at this point. No, you're the best bits on bits. Stop talking about yourself, dude. Okay, it looks like acquisition news. Makes sense. Inverse of what Activision Blizzard. Activision Blizzard down 10%, nearly 10% today on news of, I guess it was like the news was yesterday, or I guess after hours yesterday, or last night or something, where Bungie, the Halo and Destiny creators are leaving Activision, which is it's pretty devastating, dude. When it rains, it pours. Activision Blizzard, man, I feel so bad for them, dude. They were $85 a share just 3 months ago, and now they're at $46 and change. Dude, stop picking is not a sit and hold on. It's sit and hold. You better keep up with your stocks, okay? What's up, Rich Galante? Oh my god, I'm about to sneeze. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, hold on. Alright, I'm back. Sorry. Dude, are we serious? We don't even have 100 likes yet, Side Girl. I'm triggered. Are you triggered? We should both be triggered at the same time. Oh my god. Bring back Sweet Aaron. Dude, remember when that guy from Saudi Arabia was donating like $1,000+ to her every single day? I don't think he does that anymore, does he? Kool-Aid Kings? Something weird happened. You think Ice effed up or something? Content Goblin? Content Goblin and his shekels, Runeslayer, man. Wait, no, she's still in the network, right? Kool-Aid Kings? Oh, she's gone. Can y'all tell me what happened to Bree and the sister? What did they do? What did they do to get kicked off the network is what I want to know. Runeslayer, Kool-Aid Kings. What was that? Yep, Runeslayer, yes. Dow Jones, mini resistance. All the major indices, I believe, are about ready to move down again. Okay, 618 is upon us. Very low volume. Every time we make higher highs, slightly higher highs, lower levels of volume, receding volume. There's just not enough oomph, okay? It's so funny, dude. There was literally some scrub watching this stream right now. Okay, when I said that about 100 likes, they literally disliked the video. Like, what are you doing, dude? Like, why are you even here? It's like, it's Friday night, and it's Friday night, and I'm disliking this video. Like, what are you doing, dude? Priorities in people's lives, man. It's just sad. It's really sad. Okay, so if we were to respect any kind of flag, again, we have so much more time in the weekend to develop a pattern. It seems anchor point 1, 2, and 3 on the top. Bear flag is developing, but let's give it some more time and see what happens with it. Okay, big spinning top is anchor point on both sides now. So measure move again puts you right around like 3,200. Excuse me, my God. You only seen her once and you fell in love, Kool-Aid Kings, man. Uh-oh. Oh, you Google it, Jeff, but a lot aren't even in America, so have fun with that. Are you talking about for stocks, though, Jeff? Or crypto? Because I learned in crypto a lot are like in Singapore and stuff, so but they require like 200,000 or more of investment. So what's up, Fairy Schuster? Look, great, man. All right. Well, anyway, so I don't know, man. I've been live for like an hour and 52 minutes, so about 2 hours, right? The standard time. Should I stick around, or I'm kind of running out of things to do? To talk about, right? Talked about, you know, just everything, right? Day stream, night stream, whatever. Kind of just hanging out at the whims of y'all with chat, okay? Conversation, conversing with y'all. Huh. Okay. Sure, man. Mr. Galante. Let's do it, man. Uh-oh. Descending triangle. Uh-oh. Descending triangle of some sort. It seems like, or to me, I understand. One could argue about the wick here. I get it, man. But, dude, what makes the most sense, dude? Go with what makes the most sense. There we go. Alright, so we got descending triangle going on BAT, the US dollar, standard stuff here. Jeez. No bueno. There you have it, dude. Very, very easy. Right here. Oh, God. It's just selling off like crazy since listed, right? The US dollar coin on Coinbase. Descending triangle where you have a buy wall. Somebody keeps buying up this coin thinking there's some value here at 12 cents. Okay. And every time you bounce, you make lower highs. So 3 reaction highs, 1, 2, 3, 4 reaction lows. All right. So measure move either side would suck. Okay, that's about it. What we could do if we broke out bearishly and we didn't think we could hit 6 cents, which is about half our value. There are targets on the way down, low to high. The 1272 at 10.4, 9.6, and 8.39 cents. Okay, so there are targets down here we could hit. All right. Hey, Anthony, dude, by the way, I noticed that, yeah, you sent me 50% of a Litecoin, man. I really appreciate that. I wish I could hit the Jesus challenge. I didn't have my Streamlabs on my sources. I forgot all about that. So, dude, thank you so much, Anthony, man, for the Litecoin. And I now have that. If anyone tips me cryptocurrency, there will be alerts set up, okay? So, thanks, dude. All right, Rich Galante, that's it, dude. Get wrecked in a positive way. Do a beer stock, brew, or bud. What's your budget? John the Crouch, you need a hug, man. Hugs everywhere, dude. All right, Parl, I will check it out. Check my email. Much love. Thank you so much for tuning in, as always, and good to see you again. Glad you're back. I'll check it out. Get me excited. Get some rest, logo. Maybe I should, man, right? What's up, M. Joubert? Hugs, indeed. Let's hug our monitors, phones, TVs. Yes. Anthony, I'm sorry, dude. Dang, dude. That you just got fired. I'm really sorry to hear that, dude. Much love, man. I've looked at this before. I haven't done much with it, right? digging it as much, am I? Alright, so obviously the downside of a channel. I just picked Dinger 1, and 2, and 3, and 4 here. And 5 on the bottom. We clearly bounced off a horizontal line support from August 13th. Had some nice bullish divergence from your low to your lower low. Higher levels of relative strength. And, yeah, definitely in the MACD we had bullish divergence too, right? Extreme bullish divergence. Holy crap. Alright, so we did bounce, but we're making a lower high than a previous high. What's new there, man? What's freaking new? Shouldn't momentum, but high to low. 382. 382 retrace. 5,061 sats on, or not sats, the Zeds or Zerps or somethings, right? Whatever it is, okay? Hitting the 200 moving average and the 382 at the same time, and selling off. The 20 bullishly crossed over the 50 on the 8th of January, but again, the 200 cannot be breached. Double topped up here. You can see it clearly right there. So big volume came in, but again, not doing anything special, and you're really not going to be doing anything spectacular until you break above the golden retrace 58.42, and that just happens to be the downslope resistance that we've been unable to breach. Alright, so nothing really special about this till 58.42 is cracked to the upside. Okay, that's it. We'll look short term. Let's go. Oh my god, short term. Sorry, man. Bearish divergence on the MACD. But look, there's more. Bearish divergence on the RSI. High, higher high, lower levels, positive momentum and relative strength. Lower levels of relative strength. So, all right, let's see. 20 MA is down at 47.05 sats. See if we can bounce off it. If not, coming on down to 43.43. Can't hold that. The bearish trend will continue. That's it. All right. Mr. Asano, man. Kangs, baby. Kangs. Downtrend. Downtrend. Dang it, man. Chat box. Later, you like it, Rich Galante, man. So, Jonathan Crossman. Not too much, man. Just doing charts, drinking, hanging out. Might get out of here soon. Been live 2 hours. Wow, 2 hours on the dot. Holy crap. How many cryptocurrency TA channels were there before 2017, December 2017? Oh, I don't know, Dominique, man. I didn't start streaming till after the crash. Okay, so I emerged as a streamer in the ashes when everyone else quit because everyone else was doing TA, whatever they were doing. TA, believe me, I was watching those streams, and they were not TA. They were like, okay, we have a support here, we have a resistance. We have a resistance here, support here. We draw a line. Okay, we're gonna draw a line. All right, that is a support. Okay, that's like literally what TA channels were doing during the Great FOMO. Okay, bunch of children didn't know what they're doing. Okay, that's okay though, man. Hey, that's okay. I'm not judging them or talking crap about them. I'm just saying that's what it was, and that helped motivate me to start my own thing. Wash your eggplants, Kool-Aid Kangs. It's true, man. Yeah, officially overtime. Technically, but I don't know how long the overtime is going to go, Julia. I'm kind of like, yeah, you know. It's just, you know, one of those Friday nights, right? Don't leave. You need something to listen to while you're waiting for this drop up. But Joshua, man, it's Friday night, Saturday morning. It's something. It's the weekend, right? Holy crap. 111 watching, 111 likes. That's hilarious, dude. Perfect. Jeez. Sorry, just give me a second, okay? 2 hours I'm entitled to like check something out real quick. Sweet. Excuse me. Jonathan Krause wants to have babies. All right, he wants to have babies, everyone. All right, y'all. All right. Well, I freaking love y'all. Thank y'all so much for being here, sticking with me this 2-hour period. It's been wonderful. It's Friday evening. Just gonna get out of here, take it easy for the rest of the evening. And man, I just can't explain the gratitude I have for this community that has just hoisted me up, right? I'm just a regular guy who loves charts. Did this on the side for years, and I'm just happy to give you all the knowledge that I learned or I ascertained over time. So man, y'all are the light of my life, okay? Y'all are the reason I get out of bed in the morning, and I don't know where I'd be without you, right? So I'll be back tomorrow, all right? So until next time, thank y'all. And again, wait, thanks so much for the likes, the subs, the dislikes, the contributions. Thank y'all, all right? But I'll be back tomorrow. So until next time, respect the TA.